Hi friends, I'm very excited to share with you today this wonderful cotton rope basket from Goodpick company. This basket is very soft but also very strong, also functional, and how you can see, very spacious too. Look at how many large towels can fit in it. I really love my basket, guys. It's so beautiful. It fits perfectly here in my home. I love to have it here close to the shower with clean towels. My family can just go there and grab all the towels that they need, and that's it. They don't have to ask me for it. It's very safe and it's also beautiful. So it's styling my house, but at the same time, it's very functional. I know I said it already, but I had to repeat myself because I am in love with this basket. This beautiful but also functional basket is not only for your bathroom or for your laundry. I love to have it here in my living room to place some extra blankets, some extra pillows. It keeps my room organized. I use my throw blanket, and when I'm done, I just place it back inside my beautiful basket.